Let's start today's presentation. I welcome you all for this amazing and futuristic business presentation. I want everyone to be very open-minded throughout this presentation, maybe for 40 to 50 minutes. Park each and every issues, whichever is running in your mind outside for next 50 minutes. Because whatever you take today and if you try to implement it, it can change your life, entire generation's life. Let's start. Welcome to this #1 company in direct selling history, which is in service sector. The background of the company, the name of the company is NextGen Inventive Information Technology Private Limited, which is basically an IT based company started from Pune on 11th December 2013. He is our CMD of the company by name Mr. Abhishek Kumar Burman. A very big salute for this person because of his innovative thoughts. Basically an aeronautical engineer who started this IT based company in 2013. This person meets one of the e-commerce or e-wallet companies owner by name this Paytm owner in one of the forum when Mr. Narendra Modi banned this notes, 2000 rupees notes in 2016-17. He called for a forum with some innovative people who can support digital India, who can give some ideas. Sorry, who is this person? Please, whoever joins, unmute yourself. I don't know, I'm unable to. In this particular forum, Mr. Abhishek Kumar meets Paytm's owner and he understands bit by bit how this e-wallet company is growing. At the time, this company was already 40,000 crore company. And he had a thought, see, whatever they are doing in 7-8 years, last 7-8 years, nobody is getting benefited other than the services they are providing. Financially, no one is getting benefited here. And he got a thought that can I do something similar to this, where I can help more and more people who are even a common man who earns less than 2,000 rupees or 1,000 rupees per month. And if I provide a platform to those kind of people, I will be very grateful to, and it will be a great service to the nation. This is what the thought behind starting this business application. This is not about just making money. There is a noble thought behind starting this application. This person started this business application called Next Money, a complete business application which was launched on 1st January 2017, which supports 100% digital India, and it's a part of Make in India, and it is approved by Department of MSME as well, micro, small and medium enterprise. Before going further in the presentation, before starting any business, first we should think about the legality of the business. With respect to legality, you can see this company is listed by name NextGen Inventive Information Technology Private Limited, serial number 274. You can see the SIN number. It is headquartered in Pune in the state of Maharashtra. This 274 serial number is registered in Ministry of Consumer Affairs website. You can see the link here. If you go and search for this company, you will find. Once you find the SIN number, you can find each and every information of this particular firm. Okay. Now, legally, there are 457 companies which are registered in Ministry of Consumer Affairs under direct selling. In 457, 456 companies are product based. I'm very proud to tell that this is the first company to start in Indian direct selling history in service sector. Now, legality means these are all the certificates which makes us 100% legal. What are the certificates? GST trademark, incorporation, PAN card, MSME certification, everything you can see here. Now legality part is over. You understood why Mr. Abhishek Kumar Burman started this business application. Now let us understand what is the vision of this person. A very great visionary this person is. Let us understand what is his vision towards his business application. Number one, to become number one open wallet bank in India. As of now, we are a closed wallet. Once we become open wallet in coming days, it is just like a bank. We'll be becoming a bank. Okay. Our vision is to become number one open wallet bank. Number two, to develop entrepreneurship. Very, very important point, to develop entrepreneurship. Number three, to develop e-commerce business. E-commerce business. Number four, very, very important one, to develop B2B model. B2B, business to business model. Now you understood what is the vision he is working for. What is his mission statement? For which purpose? What makes him to run so fast, so aggressively? What is that mission? Let us understand the mission: to support 100% digital India. To support 100% digital India, to avoid this hard cash transaction. Number two, to make India a healthy India. Number three, to make India a wealthy India. Of course, when you help people like the person who earns 1,000, 2,000 rupees per month, if you give them an opportunity or a platform to earn more money, of course, India become a wealthy India. See, this is what Mr. Abhishek Kumar Burman thought with respect to vision and mission for this business application. Now let us understand what is Next Money. See, we have to understand what is Next Money first. Next Money is a unique business combination of application. Why I am using this term called unique? Because here there are 3 to 4 different business modules which have been designed in a single platform. Let's say, what is this e-wallet? E-wallet, it is like Paytm, MobiKwik, Freecharge, Oxygen, Jio Money, Airtel Money, Amazon Money. So there are so many e-wallet companies nowadays. Okay. Number two is e-commerce. No need to explain e-commerce. Like giant companies like Amazon, Flipkart, ShopClose, BigBasket, eBay, Paisa Bazaar, everyone comes under this e-commerce portal. And earning opportunities, I am going to add one more thing called e-learning. E-learning is something which is very, very, very critical today in current situations, because nobody is interested to go out of their home. This is the right situation where we can sit in our home and build this business digitally. Okay. And very, very important point, bottom, you can see this e-wallet, e-commerce or any e-learning companies, they make you only customer. They runs on B2C model, business to consumer or customer. Here it is very difficult for you to get an earning opportunity. But Next Money, it operates on B2C plus it majorly works on B2B model, because it makes us business partners. We all will be the partners of this business. Then automatically we will take the ownership, where in turn we'll be promoting business to business platform. Right? Now, let us understand what are the unique selling points of this business, because every business has its own advantages and disadvantages. Let me throw some light on certain unique selling points which makes this business a very, very predominant one. According to me, each and every person, every human being in India has to do this business. Why I'm saying like this? Let us understand one by one. Number one, this is the first company in Indian direct selling history which works on service sector. First unique selling point. Number two, completely zero investment. If there is no investment, there is no ROI. And very, very important point, there is a zero liability business. There will not be any liabilities once you start or once you continue this business. After several years also, there will not be any liability. Number three, most important one, there is no physical product sale or purchase to start this business. There is no physical product sale or purchase to start this business. In normally traditional network marketing companies, in order to start the business, you need to purchase certain products. Okay, here there is no such thing mandatory. Number four, a unique business model with multiple sources of income. You will see 9 different sources of income from this business. Most critical point, instant payout facility. According to my knowledge, this is the first company in Indian direct selling history which gives you instant payout facility. What is the time? With what time you will get your money in your wallet? Within microseconds. Whatever the business transactions you do, within microsecond, amount will be credited in your wallet. If you see the traditional business or if you see your job, you need to wait for 30 days for whatever the amount of work you have done. You need to wait for 30 days to get that money. Same holds with any traditional business. If you ask any traditional businessman, he will be cribbing and crying because each and every money will be stuck in the market. 2 months credit, 30 days credit, or 3 months credit. Traditional businessmen will be screwed badly. But here, instant payout facility, no need to wait for anything. Do the work and take your money. Number 6, digital services as per your choice. No need to do any compulsion for anyone. There are certain services which have been designed in this business model, which are just day-to-day usable services. According to your requirement, you can use this. No compulsion here. Number 7, since it is a day-to-day usable services, it will become very easy to recommend, very easy to promote. Okay. 8 1, easy team management from your mobile. This mobile is your office. You can promote your entire business by sitting in your home. And very critical point is, each and every transaction will be recorded in this application. Each and every transaction. People who are there in afternoon session, they might understand this. New people especially. Each and every transaction, there is a record. Whatever you earn, whatever is credited, whatever is debited, everything is recorded here. It is more than a business application, right? Next, fast business moment. Since because of this about top 8 unique selling point, it becomes very easy to move your business. Very easy to move your business. Number 10, amazing online meeting and trainings on your mobile. This is the talk of the town today because nobody is interested to go out. By sitting in your home, you can conduct the meetings, you can train your team or get yourself trained from your seniors. Mind-blowing opportunity. Okay. Last but not the least, business nomination facility. It's a second generation business. Once you start this business, you have to put your nominee name here. Let's say if an X person start this business and he has built this business for next 1 year. Unfortunately, because of some issues, he passed away. Whatever the business he has built, he had built for previous 1 year, it will not go in vain. Wherever it may be, however may be the situation, however profitable it may be, it will be transferred to his nominee. Just ask yourself this question. Whatever the traditional business you are running today, or whatever the job you are into, whatever the profession you are into, if you are not there, will it be taken care? Will your family make money? Very serious question to ask myself, ask ourselves. If I am not there, will my family survive? According to me, it is very difficult. So this business application provides you a security for your life. Not only your life, your family life. So take this business application very seriously. It is not only going to impact you, it will be impact your entire family and coming generation as well. Okay. Now you understood some background. How to start this business? Very simple. Go to Play Store, download an app called Next Money App Wallet. Once you download, you'll see the screen like this. Sign up and log in. You cannot log in before sign up. Sign up yourself. How to sign up? The screen looks like this. First, it will ask for a referral code. confirm, be very, very careful before putting your referral code here. Ask the person who has referred you in this business, take the referral code correctly and type here and click the button check. Once you check, 3 points will be visible on the screen: username, referral name, the person username, referrer's name, and his mobile number. If all data, whatever you have, is same, then you can confirm it. Once you do a wrong registration, once you put a wrong referral ID, you will be registered under someone. So be very, very careful. Afterwards, we cannot take it back. Very, very careful before putting your referral name. Next, put your mobile number, 10-digit mobile number, no zero, 10-digit mobile number, email ID, create your unique username as per your style. Create your own username, put your name as per the PAN card details, create your password, and complete the registration process. Once you complete the registration process, you are a free sign up member in NextMoney. Since it's a legal business, you need to provide PAN card, voter ID, and Aadhaar card to complete your KYC, know your customer. Since you are a free member now, you are having some benefits here. What are the benefits for a free sign up member? Let us understand. See, all these third-party applications, there are 50 third-party applications which have been tied up with NextMoney. Whatever the shopping you're going to make, you will be earning guaranteed cashback from 0.5 to 10% depending on the different applications. Okay, and all types of insurance you can do from here, being a free sign-up member. These are all the 2 benefits a free sign-up member will be getting from NextMoney. Now, any business opportunity you take, any e-wallet or e-commerce, there will be 2 types of customers. Number 1, free sign-up member. Number 2 is a prime member. If you take an example of Amazon, you can be a free member as well as you can be a prime member. What are the benefits of a prime member? There are only 3 benefits: free delivery, fast delivery, and access to Prime videos, Amazon Prime videos. But you have to pay a Prime membership fee of 999 rupees. There is a point here. You have to pay 999 rupees every year. Every year you have to pay 999 rupees in order to avail the premium services. Okay, here also there are certain premium services. In order to avail them, you need to be a prime member. What is the prime member fee here? 1,500 rupees is the prime member fee. For how many days? Not per month, not per annum. 1,500 rupees for lifetime, one time and a lifetime. 18% GST, which is equal to 1,770 rupees for one time and lifetime prime membership fee. Now, why I have to take a prime membership fee? Let us understand. Number 1, in order to get access for all the premium services and to enjoy the earning potential of this app. Very, very important point, to enjoy the earning potential of this app. Number 2, you will be getting a lifetime guaranteed cashback for whatever the transactions you are going to do from this mobile application. Number 3, you will get 50 reward points for downloading this application plus 1,500 reward points on upgrading your Prime membership. What is the value of this 1,500 reward points? 1 reward point is equal to 1 rupee. You just think, what did you give to this business application? You give 1,500 rupee basic amount. What did you get back? You got back 1,550 rupees in the form of reward points, and you can utilize those at certain levels of your services. Okay, you can earn discount points from this business application. What is discount point? What is reward points? Both are same, no difference. Both is equal to 1 rupee. 1 point is equal to 1 rupee. Okay. Number 5, very, very important point to be noted. You will be eligible for level cashback. What is level cashback? Till this point, I spoke about only whatever the shopping I do, I will get cashback. But level cashback is something, whatever the cashback your team makes, Whatever the shopping your team makes, you will get a level cashback for that. You will get a level cashback for that. Okay. Now let us understand what is the primary earning. Primary earning of this business is mobile recharge, DTH recharge, and data card recharge, where you will get 2% cashback and you will get 1% usage on your reward points. All put together, 3% discount you will get. Let's say if you want to do 1000 rupees mobile recharge, 1% you can utilize from reward points. That means 10 rupee will be deducted from your reward points. Remaining 990 you have to pay from your pocket. For that, you will get 2% instant cashback within microsecond in your wallet. Number two, booking services. You will get 2 to 10% cashback on flight booking, bus booking, hotel booking, and you can utilize from 1 to 5% of your reward points. This is Next Shopping, which is our own e-commerce portal where you can utilize 60% up to 60% your reward points, and you can avail up to 20% of the cashbacks. This I already discussed. Online shopping, third-party applications, you will get from 0.5% to 10%. Here, no reward points or discount points will be used. You will get only cashback. What is the product of the company? I got a Prime membership. What is the product of the company? Product of the company is simple. Lifetime guaranteed cashback service. No physical product. Whatever the transaction I'm going to do, I will be earning lifetime guaranteed cashback. There are certain services where you will not get any cashback, but you will get beautiful benefits. What are those? Let us see. Electricity bill you can pay, postpaid bill, landline bill, gas bill, and Metro card recharge you can do. If you pay all these bills, you will get 25% discount points on electricity bill and postpaid bills. What is discount point? Let's say if you want to pay electricity bill 1000 rupees, for 1000 rupees you will get 250 discount points. One discount point is equal to 1 rupee. This is the first company in India where it is providing some benefits for even paying electricity bill. For even paying electricity bill. Let us understand what are the different ways of earning. I told 9 different ways of earning. As of now, 7 different ways of earning are active. Remaining 2 different ways of earnings will be active very, very soon. Number 1, saving is earning. Number 2, referral program. Number 3, repurchase income. Number 4, team royalty. Number 5, company royalty. Number 6, leadership royalty. Number 7, merchant royalty. Let us understand one by one. Saving is earning. See, once you become a Prime member, see, you paid 1500 rupees and you got back 1550 rupees in the form of reward points. You did not give anything to this business application other than 18% to Mr. Narendra Modi. Right? Now, becoming a Prime member and using all these listed services for your own purpose, you can save an estimated amount of 15 to 20,000 rupees per annum just by being a customer. Forget about recommending. Just being a customer, you can save 15 to 20,000 rupees. Is it not a very great offer? Of course, yes, it is a very, very great offer. Whether you do something or not, you will be using the services for your own purpose, where you can save such money. Okay. Number 2, mind-blowing referral income. What is this referral income? I want you to focus 100% here. If you understand this referral income, your speed will be damn high. Refer and earn 20% of 1500 rupees. See, once I use the services, I'll become a satisfied customer. Once I become, it's a human tendency. Once I become a satisfied customer, I will unknowingly promote this to my known people. Unknowingly promote. A business application is just good. It's too good. You can use all the services and you can enjoy the cashback. You can save 15 to 20,000 rupees per month. Why should I convince someone to save their money? Right? Now, let's give an example of recommending only 5 people. This entire presentation calculation applies only for recommending 5 people. You can refer up to 5 crores also. It is not an issue, but I'm giving an example of only 5 people. See, if I refer 5 people, I will get 20% from each. They will upgrade their Prime membership free from 1770. Basic is 1500. 20% of 1500 is 300 rupees from each. 300 into 5 is 1500 rupees. These 5 people come on my first level because they used my referral code and they downloaded this, right? These people will come on my first level, and this 1500 rupees I can take it to the bank immediately if you want through IMPS. You don't want immediately, you can transfer NEFT without any charges. Now these first level 5 people whomsoever I have referred, these 5 people refer their 5. Those 5s become my second level earning. I referred 5, that is first level. Those first level people referred their 5s, that became second level for me. Second level 2%. 2% of 1500 is 30 rupees. This I can transfer to my wallet. Now understand this particular slide very, very carefully, right? See, referral income. First level referral income is 20%, that is 300 rupees per person. Number 2 level, 2%, that is 30 rupees per person. Whoever joins on my third level, I'll make 3%, that is 45 rupees per person. Fourth level 4%, 60 rupees per person. Fifth level 5%, 75 rupees per person. Sixth level 90 rupees per person. Seventh level 105 rupees per person. Eighth level 120 rupees per person. Ninth level 135 rupees per person. 10th level 10%, that is 150 rupees per person. I will be earning. See, if a person upgrades within microsecond, company distributes 74% of the prime membership fee, that is 1500. In 1500 rupees, company distributes 1110. 1110 within microseconds. Can you just imagine? You might be thinking, what company will do by taking this 1500 prime membership fee? It is not taking to itself. It is distributing to the distributors within microseconds. You might be thinking, why company is giving so much? Then how company will run? Understand? It's a direct selling concept. This is the best example. This is the best example for a direct selling concept. What is direct selling concept? Manufacturer to the customer, no middleman in between. This is direct selling. People who have certain experience in direct selling industry or network marketing industry, hands on your heart, whatever the company you are into, are they following this? According to the knowledge, small knowledge, whatever I have, direct selling industries, majority of the companies, products are 10 times more than market rate. Then how it will become a direct selling industry or a network marketing company? This is a very big question. Everybody has, but nobody will just express this. Just understand. Now, company has 390 rupees with it. It distributed 1110 within microseconds. Okay. Remaining 390, how it distributes, I will explain in coming slides. Now, please focus again 500% on the extreme right. See, this is the concept. This is the concept called power of compounding or power of duplication. Albert Einstein says, whichever the business runs on this particular concept will never fail. And he also went on to say that power of compounding is eighth wonder of the world. Eighth wonder of the world. If a caliber, the person like Albert Einstein says, who we are to judge this? So understand how powerful it is whenever it goes down the line, right? I referred 5 people. My earning is 1500 rupees on first level. These 5 people referred their 5. Understand, this first level 5 people referred their 5. I referred only 5. It became 25. Second level earning is 750. Third level it became 25 into 5, 125. Earning is 5625. Fourth level 125 into 5, 625, that is 37,000 rupees. See the magic from here. Fifth level, from 37,000 to 2,34,000 rupees. Sixth level, 2,34,000 to 14 lakhs. Seventh level, from 14 lakhs to 82 lakhs. Eighth level, from 82 lakhs to 4 crore 68 lakhs. Ninth level from 4.6 crores to 26 crores. Can you imagine this? How they are getting multiplied. This is power of compounding. Number 10, from 26 crores to a massive 146 crores. My God, 146 crores. 178 crores is the money you can make if you take this business very, very, very seriously. If you discipline yourself for next 10 months. You can see the extreme left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Imagine those are all months. Within 10 months, if you put your best efforts, you are eligible for 178 crores. Some people might be smiling. Of course, I also smiled when I saw this on screen, right? Every business has its success percentage or failure percentage. Let us see that. If you're 100% success, you can make 178 crores. If you're 10% success, you can make 17.8 crores. If you're 1% success also, still you can make up to 2 crore rupees. Ask yourself this question: whatever the traditional business or profession you are into, at a success rate of 99% or at a failure rate of 99%, can you make 2 crores within 3 years, within 1 year, within 2 years, or within 10 years? Can you make 2 crores? I don't know. Answer yourself. Everyone in the call are not worst of 1% success. On an average, if you become 10% success in business also, still you will be making 17.8 crores. And very, very important point, this is not a one-time income. It's a working income. It will be keep generating as and when your business starts progressing. I'm talking only about referral income. Just amazing, just amazing. Okay, this is about referral income. Now, hold your nerves. This is the screen which will make you very, very excited about this business. This is the income which makes me so excited. So excited. It inspires me. Let us understand what is this. Extreme right, you see there is a person. Below him, there are 10 levels. 1 level to 10 level. Let's imagine from first level to 10th level, whatever the numbers you are seeing, there are 10 green people. These are all vertical levels. But horizontally, there may be 10 lakh people, 10 people, 10 crore people, or 100 crore people also. You can horizontally, you can build your system within 1 to 10 levels. Whatever the transaction these 1 crore or 10 lakh people do, whatever the shopping these 10 lakh or 1 crore people do, these 10 people from level 1 to level 10 will make money out of it. Each and every person makes money out of it. How exactly it is? Let me help you by giving an easy example. Let's say an example of mobile recharge, Jio recharge. Let's say you have a team size of 10 lakh people. Down the line after 1 year or 2 years, let's imagine, let's think positively, right? Each and every person does a mobile recharge of 200 rupees. Why he is doing mobile recharge from this application? Because he is getting 3% discount. He is getting 2% cashback. What is the 2% cashback of 200 rupees? 4 rupees. Each person makes 4 rupees cashback. If one person makes 4 rupees, what is the team cashback? 40 lakh rupees. As per the compensation plan, 25% of the total team cashback, that is 25% of 40 lakhs is 10 lakh rupees. 10 lakh is divided by 10 levels, 1 to 10 levels. That means you can make 1 lakh rupees by people's recharge, people's mobile recharge. Can you imagine? You can make 1 lakh rupee per month from mobile recharge. Just amazing. I gave an example of only mobile recharge. Same calculation applies to data card recharge, DTH recharge, bus booking, flight booking, hotel booking, all kind of insurance, next shopping, whatever the shopping they are going to do. Everything can be calculated on the same formula. Can you imagine what money you are going to make once you have a huge team? Even 10 lakhs per month you can make only from repurchase income. According to my knowledge, there is none other than Next Money in direct selling history which is giving this option. Each and every network marketing company runs only when a referral income flows into the wallet or account. Imagine if your referral stops also after 1 or 2 years, still you can make repurchase income, because each and every services are daily usable services. Understand the beauty of this concept. I hope you understood this. Now, whatever the cashback you made from here, you cannot transfer it to the bank, because cashback income as of now you cannot transfer, because still we are a closed wallet. Once we become an open wallet, we can do, I think. But what to do with this huge cashback money? You can pay all these bills. Whatever you are seeing on the screen, you can pay all these bills. Luxury house, cars. In future, lot of attractive benefits are on the way. We have to be patient. We have to hold our vision, right? Till now I explained about 10th level earning. If some person joins in your 11th level, will you make any money? Absolutely zero. Now what is the option? Will it pinch you? Of course, he belongs to my organization, but I am not getting any benefit. Don't worry. Company has an option here. Company has provided an option in the form of royalty income. What is royalty income? Let us understand. There are team royalty income. There are four royalties. Number one, silver royalty, gold royalty, diamond royalty, and crown diamond royalty. Let us understand what this royalty is. Number one, silver royalty. In order to achieve silver royalty, first you have to become a silver star. Becoming a silver star is just easy. How to become a silver star? You referred 5 people. Under any of the 5, you can upgrade 9 members, one below the other till 10th level. That means vertically 9, horizontally 5. Totally 14 ID upgradation is required you to become a silver star. In my team, there is a person called Vikravel. He achieved this within 3 days. My sister Saujanya, she achieved in 5 days. I achieved in 7-8 days. If you take it seriously, within 2-3 days you can do the silver star. Once you become silver star, what is the benefit? Once you become a silver star, you will get 1% royalty. That is, from whoever joins from your 11th level to nth level, up to unlimited depth in differential, you will be getting 15 rupees per person, right? Gold royalty, how to achieve this? Simple. You referred 5 people only. I am talking example with reference to only that 5 people. If you help these first 5 people to become silver star, you will become gold star automatically, and you will earn a royalty of 2% per person, that is 30 rupees per person from 11th level to nth level, which will be paid in differential. Diamond royalty, simple. 5 people you referred. From these 5 people, first level to 10th level, if there are 5 gold stars from 5 different vertical, you'll become a diamond star and you will be eligible for diamond royalty. That is 3% of royalty, 45 rupees per person from 11th level to nth level, which will be paid in differential, right? Company royalty, please open your mind and listen. Focus here. Utmost focus here. This is the royalty which all of us should be focusing on. Once you become a crown diamond star, you will be eligible for company royalty. Once you become a crown diamond star, worst case, you will be making 5 to 6 lakh rupees per month only from company royalty. Only from company royalty. Whatever I explained till now, forget those things. I'm talking only about company royalty. Once you become crown diamond star, 5 to 6 lakhs. By putting all together, on an average, 10 to 12 lakh rupees per month, you can make. In last 3 years, recently 15-20 days back, one person became crown diamond star. still only 12 to 13 lakhs people downloaded this application. India has more than 135 crores population. Now you can imagine what massive growth we can have in coming days. How much potential we have. Right? Now, how to become a Crown Diamond Star? Simple. First level, 5 people I referred. From those 5 people's, first level to 10th level, if I have 5 diamond stars in 5 different vertical, I will become a Crown Diamond Star. Congratulations for your future Crown Diamond ship. Right? Next, leadership royalty. What is leadership royalty? Very, very important royalty with respect to duplication of your business. With respect to duplication of your business. Understand it very carefully. In order to achieve leadership royalty, first step is you should become a silver star. Whoever are in the call, your first focus should be to become a silver star. Silver star is the first step in this business. First condition is to become a silver star, and first level whom you are referred, that is 5 people, those first level 5 people, help them to find their 5. First condition is to become a silver star. Second condition is help your first 5 to find their 5. That is 5 first level, second level 25. You are qualified for leadership royalty. It has to be done once and you will enjoy benefits for lifetime. What are the benefits? What is the major benefit? Once you achieve leadership royalty, whatever the income these first 5 people are making in your organization, you will get 10% extra from them. If they are making 10,000 rupees per day, 1,000 rupees extra for you. Other than whatever I told till now. I achieved this leadership royalty within 30 days of my sign up. Please focus. Once you achieve leadership royalty, you should start duplicating below the organization. Automatically, you will be very, very closer to your Crown Diamond ship. Focus. Leadership royalty is the key. Leadership royalty is the key for your duplication of the business. If you achieve leadership royalty, of course, you will help your people. When you don't achieve this, you will not even think about leadership royalty. Same thing with everything, with every stars. So first focus on silver star and leadership royalty. These 2 things are the key for your successful journey. Now, company is running some offers, that is go Goa in 30 days. If you hit the structure, first level 5, second level 25, you'll be eligible for Goa trip. 100% sponsored by company. 7th one is merchant royalty. It needs a lot of time. Very, very simple. You can merchantize any business owner by using Next Money merchant royalty application. The condition is that business owner should be ready to give 10% discount. Whatever the 10% discount he offers, that discount will be distributed like this. 7.5% goes to customer, 1% goes to the referrer of this merchant, 0.5% goes to company, 0.5% goes to top 10 referrals top 10 appliance, remaining 0.5 goes to customers top 10 appliance. See how cleanly they have distributed the 10% discount, right? It will be a mind-blowing concept in coming days. Hold your nerves. Future is very, very bright. Now, excuse me. You will get support from company. You know that free gift of 1,500 rupees in the form of reward points. Promotional Goa offer, Dubai offers, Bali offers is running. Special RTP offers are also going on. Residential training programs. You get support from your upline through daily plan presentation. I am your upline. I am giving daily plan presentations. Daily trainings will be given through digital success support system. It's a digital success support system. No need to go anywhere physically, right? There are certain steps you need to follow. Number 1, to-do list. New persons, whoever may be in the call, whoever has invited you to this call, be very, very grateful for them for this application, whether you do it or not. It's up to you. But have gratitude for them for giving you an opportunity to understand this futuristic business plan, right? Once you understand and you are convinced that this is the platform I need to rock, then just download and sign up and upgrade your Prime membership. Once you become a Prime member, don't use your mind. Just make a list of 50 people and just give a quick 1 minute invitation to them and invite them to the business webinar. Don't explain anything because you will not be in a position to explain. It takes some time for you to understand each and every step, right? Just invite them. Number 3, be in tight communication with your active upline. Whoever may be your active upline, be in tight communication with him, right? Number 4, attend. This is the key for your success. According to me, this is the key. Attend daily trainings on next support at 7 a.m. Timings have been changed. Whatever the webinars or training details your upline sends, please try to attend. People who will attend continuous webinar for next 90 days, success guaranteed. Success guaranteed. Not to do, don't share plans in shortcut. Don't just copy paste on WhatsApp groups and Facebook groups. Your IDs may get blocked. Number 3, don't explain plans on phone without any trainings and achievement. At least you should be a silver star. Number 4, don't ignore your sponsor messages and the company event and activities. As I already told, Goa offers 525 will be sponsor. Company will sponsor you for Goa trip. If you achieve 525, 125 structure within 90 days, you'll be eligible for Bali, Dubai trip, 100% sponsored by company. If you hit this 525, 125, 625 at any time, whatever may be the time, no time foundation, you'll be eligible for a Dubai trip and Bali trip. The success is our mission. Simple, download, sign up, upgrade. Add money. In order to add money, there is a hell lot of options available in the application. Once you go through the application, once you attend the trainings on application, you will come to know this. Thank you very much for your valuable time, for giving your valuable time. If